Have you ever wondered how Facebook decides how much to actually charge you for your ads? Well, it depends on how you set up them. In most cases, you will pay based on either how many thousand impressions your ads get or for every link click on your ads. In case you are optimizing for conversion, Facebook will charge you by each 1,000 impressions. So you are not paying every time someone clicks on your ad, you pay only for each 1,000 impressions. Meaning, if 1,000 people saw your ad and you got only 150 clicks, you will pay the same amount of money if 1,000 people saw your ad and only 20 persons clicked. Well, this should push you to create the most attractive ads and to target the right audience. As a general rule, I suggest that you leave this as the default option. Facebook have actually done a pretty good job of setting up defaults that get you good results in most situations. In our case, if we opt for conversion, we are always charged by each 1,000 impressions and we cannot do anything to change this. So don't think a lot about it. Now let's move on to delivery type. Facebook offers two delivery options, standard delivery or accelerated delivery. The standard delivery is the default option when you launch Facebook ads. It will try to deliver your ads in a way that's evenly distributed throughout the day. In this case, Facebook will prioritize the optimization of the ad over the speed of delivery. That's why your entire budget might not be used, as Facebook is trying to maximize your opportunities to get conversions at optimal levels. With the accelerated delivery method, your ads will be shown as frequently and quickly as possible as soon as you launch your campaign. Facebook will prioritize speed over efficiency. In my case, I rarely use the accelerated delivery. I prefer to give time to Facebook to optimize my ads and give me maximum conversions. So I recommend you to use standard delivery. In some cases, accelerated delivery might be useful if you have flash sales for a couple of hours and you want maximum people to see your ads, then it would be wiser to use accelerated delivery. I know the optimization and ad delivery section was a little bit difficult for you. That's why I recommend you to re-watch these 3 lectures and make sure that you have understood everything before moving on to the next lecture.